Look for the next challenge that will change you forever. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. I just want to talk to you for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes about the next upcoming Get Up and Go free 30+ day challenge. What is it? It's a challenge where we get together every day for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes or less. I'm guaranteeing this time 10 minutes or less so I can be more clear and concise and cut to the chase and just share what's really most important with you so I don't waste your time or mine going over things that you might think that you already know or that you have experienced before, just might not have applied them before. So 10-minute video, action item, do the action item, guaranteed that at the end of the 30 days, you will have a change and challenge process installed in your subconscious that will guarantee you will get better results after any change or challenge that you face from this point on for the rest of your life. How can I make that statement? How can I make that bold statement? Well, that's how it's worked for me and hundreds of other people that have gone through the Get Up and Go challenge. This is actually our 8th Get Up and Go 30+ day challenge. Started at the beginning of COVID-19 to help myself keep moving through changing and challenging times that were really chaotic and lots of uncertainty and misinformation about it, and continued to do it this year. Now, why would you want to do it? Why would you want to be involved in something that would help you handle change in a more efficient, more effective, better for you way, guaranteeing you would get better results? Well, don't you want better results? Don't you want to know with 100% certainty that when a change or a challenge happens to you or in your life or outside of you, like COVID-19, you will know what to do. You'll know how to handle it in the way that's best for you. The way I handled COVID-19 is different than the way my sister or my mother or my cousins or my friends or my business associates with different types of businesses handle COVID-19. Whenever a change or challenge comes our way, it's up to us to figure out what's in it for us, what's the best way to deal with it, identify the problem, all that we'll talk about in the challenge. And we'll break it down into little bite-sized pieces, and we'll go over all the different areas and aspects of your life to make sure that you're covered, not just at work, not just in your job, not just in your career, not just in business, but in your relationships, your spiritual health, your well-being, in your physical well-being, your emotional well-being, your communication skills, and your confidence. All of those things. And you might be asking, well, what if I've already done those? What if I have already heard of these things or used some of the tools that you share? My question for you would be the same question that I asked myself when I first started doing this challenge. Yep, I know about these things. I've had them in my toolbox all my life, but am I actually using and applying them? I guarantee I will share several tools and strategies and techniques with you that you may or may not have heard of before. A lot of them are brand new because I created them myself or I tweaked them from other things that I've learned throughout my life and career. But maybe you've heard of them, maybe you've used them, maybe you've done a lifeline exercise before, maybe you've done a vision board, maybe you've done affirmations, but I have a twist to how I make them even more effective and how you can too. So I'm just here to invite you to hop on August 1st through 31st, because it's a 30+ day challenge, to this Get Up and Go challenge page. You're also invited to join the free Get Up and Go challenge group where we have more intimate, smaller group conversations and talk about the topics and the strategies and the tools more in depth. So if there's a tool or something you don't quite understand, or if there's a situation that you're dealing with that you want to talk about with other people, we help one another out with those things. And it doesn't have to be, it can be in any area of our life. I like to talk about and go through 9 areas of our life this year. I added communication and confidence this year because I'm working on those with coaches, and I think they're foundational issues that we all need to continually improve in. Just my opinion. But then, of course, there's physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, and contribution. Those are the main areas of our life, and we can ignore them some of the time, but if we ignore one area or aspect of our life all of the time, we get into trouble. And I'll share the story of what happened to me and how I messed up my life and almost wasn't here anymore. That's it. Any questions about the challenge? Hit me up in the comments below. You can direct message me on this particular video. Otherwise, I'm excited to see you. Join me if this is a fit for you on August 1st Get Up and Go challenge page. Take care, and I'll, of course, be with you soon.